see, it also depends on how mangled that online image is. You know, when somebody, I don't know, because you know how you've got the discs that are .st, and then you have the discs that are .msa. You know what I'm saying? And they're taking different formatting out of that. And like I said, I can run it on an emulator.
What's the one that has all the time?
That's the MSAs, I thought. Oh, you're trying to talk like when they're like fluxed or whatever? Yeah. That would be a way to do it too. Right, yeah. And here's the thing is, I hate to put somebody out because it's just like I've already got 10,000 basics of that, but it's not like I'm really going to do anything with it. It gets into a collector's mentality, And but yeah, it was a very interesting story about that guy. Right. Yeah. Okay. Oh wow.
Another guy who did a bigger piece. Some guy comes on eBay, full collection. Then he went to this team.
Okay. Yeah. See, now I would think that would be easier for me because in all the libraries online, yeah, that's odd to me.
That's what gets along.
Yeah.
It's kind of like the looking page when I started maybe every time I was trying to write it.
Yeah. I know. I've seen what that is. Yeah. Once again, the funny thing is, the whole idea with computers is you're supposed to save paper, and I think computers waste more paper than anything out there. It's just. But if you go to Belgium's game, you're still pretty early in it. Was your first one a 520 SD with no drive and stuff? Yeah, the extra one too. Okay. I will say that was the cheapest 68,000 base system you were going to buy. I mean, compared to what the